Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious lollipops without any corn syrup. We will focus on using simple ingredients like granulated sugar, water, and a touch of an acid. This acid, such as cream of tartar or lemon juice, is key to preventing the sugar from crystallizing, ensuring a smooth, clear lollipop. Precise measurements are absolutely essential for achieving the perfect hard candy texture, so gather your ingredients carefully. Now let's get cooking. Combine your granulated sugar, water, and chosen acid in a sturdy, heavy-bottomed saucepan. Heat this mixture slowly over medium heat, stirring gently until all the sugar crystals have fully dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring and let the syrup boil. Use a reliable candy thermometer to monitor the temperature, cooking until it reaches the hard crack stage, specifically between 295 and 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your syrup hits the target temperature, remove it from the heat right away. This is the critical moment to add your desired flavorings and food coloring. Work quickly but carefully, stirring them in gently to ensure even distribution without introducing too many air bubbles. For vibrant colors and intense tastes, I recommend using concentrated, oil-based flavorings. A few drops are usually enough to transform your clear syrup into a flavorful treat. Finally, it's time to shape your lollipops. Carefully pour the hot, flavored syrup into your prepared lollipop molds or onto a silicone mat. Work swiftly, as the syrup will begin to set quickly. Immediately insert your lollipop sticks into the center of each poured candy. Then, simply let them cool undisturbed. They will need at least 30 minutes to harden completely, ensuring they are firm and ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.